So I'm working on a freezer today, and I found something pretty awesome. Just want to show you. I was looking for the power to this thing because you can see we've got the conduit leading from the box where the electrical controls are for this freezer. This is the outdoor unit part, and you can see the head pressure control there. But the conduit leads back to the box here, and this is a standard, or it's a custom, because it's not standard. It's a custom tape box. And it is beautiful. I mean, look at that. I'm afraid to take the tape off just to see what's underneath there, but I tell you what, I don't want to do it and then tell you about it. I guess I'll go ahead and do it. This is the premium custom tape box. Let's try to take a piece off. Let's see what happens. Oh, I see why we have a premium custom tape box. Oh wow, this is the defrost control right here. Look at this. I didn't even know what was that behind that? Ooh, that scared me a little bit. That was a lizard. No wonder we have got an amazing solution for you here. I mean, I can hear this thing clicking. Man, look at this. This is a premium tape box. Oh, it's a premium tape and wire tie box. You hear that? That doesn't sound good. It can't be open because we got a little wire tie here. But I had to get this on video. I wanted to show you the premium custom tape box. Was made by Grassland, was customized by Grassroots. Redneck style. It's awesome. Get this thing fixed. I can't figure out why my unit won't stay running. Is it because of my tape box? Man, that looked good. All right, this gets better. So I was looking for this, because this right here is the RDI. This goes with that outdoor. And I found this. And this says right here, I'll read it to you. Bali BA56 model. This thing is super old. Bali Case and Cooler Incorporated in Bali, Pennsylvania. Wow, look at that. Man, that is nice. This is a cooler right here. Wow. So we're gonna work on the freezer, but this right here is the cooler. And that is unbelievably old, just had to show you. All right, so we got a 2-fan evaporator. Got our heat tape drain pipe coming out of the bottom. Line sensor doing a little beep. All right, there's our little bulb. It's alive! This thing right here is still running. This is like a 1980s model outdoor condensing unit. This is unbelievable. And it's running. This semi-herm is running. It's cool, wow. Today we're not working on this, but I had to get that on video. We're working on this. So we're gonna put a new disconnect here because this one doesn't work at all. And then we are going to replace this defrost timer, because this thing is it's not really producing the temperatures we want. It's not making the food really cold. It's not doing the job of a freezer. New and improved tape box. Now I'm gonna be irritated at myself trying to get that tape off this box, get this box replaced when I get back with a new one. But it looks so shiny and amazing. To be continued. Label everything or you will pay. See there? That's labeled, buddy. All right, we got everything stripped loose. We're gonna start putting in the new boxes and rewiring. It's gonna be beautiful. It looks beautiful. It's working.